Hey guys, this is Bill from TFL Chat Room. This is my daily Apple volume profile analysis. Actually, this is for Tuesday, August 2nd. I'm just doing it in the morning of the 3rd. And I just want to kind of go over where we're at with Apple. Again, last week we had this big week up, and it was earnings, but it's approaching this trend line. And it has hit one of my low volume lines on here from March 21st. In addition, there is this trend line going down, and this on balance volume indicator is also going down. I would encourage you to read a little bit about this indicator to see how it goes in line with price. Anyway, this is where we are on the weekly. Here's your volume profile bars. Again, we're in this area here, which price usually does not stick around too long. So it's either going to move up fast through here or bounce down. And I think it's going to move down, and I'll show you why in a second. Let's move over to the daily. So what happened today or yesterday was this move here, this move down, and preceded by this move up at this low volume line over here. This is what I call a railroad track setup, and I like this setup for a short, especially around this trend line and around this low volume profile line. So when I saw this yesterday afternoon before the close, I did go short here on Apple. And I am assuming literally we're going to come back down to this yellow line. I probably will not stay in that long, but we'll see what happens. It may shoot up and go to this line. If it does that and breaks this high, I'll just get out. It's no big deal. Small loss. It'll be okay. And then we'll wait and see what happens up here. But I like this setup, especially when the bodies are the same exact size. It's more confirmation. Didn't exactly happen here. And this big move up was on earnings. So I'm not sure how much to regard that, but I liked it when I saw it. This is bearish with a green move up and then a red leg down. So I did go short here yesterday afternoon, and we'll kind of see what happens. To look more closely at the day, we kind of started at the high and ended at the low. Not quite the low, it was a little bit of a wick at the end of this move up. So we'll see what happens. Today, actually, this morning in about 20 minutes as the market opens, we'll kind of see what happens. And this again may shoot up here, it may gap up. I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but I like the railroad track pattern here at this kind of trend line and this low volume line here. The market pays attention to these, so I want to as well. And so when I see some price action patterns at these levels, I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to dip my toe in and see what happens. So that's what happened there. We will kind of see what goes on with Apple, and I will post another video tomorrow after the close today to see how it goes. That's about it. Hope you guys are doing well.